land and sea transport, supplies and still more supplies. Those are among the major problems in a war that extends across the globe. Britain's great armies abroad demand ever-growing stores and equipment. Not least our Soviet ally, too, requires enormous consignments of war material. This is just one of many convoys unloading at a port in the Persian Gulf. Ton after ton from Britain and Australia, India and America. One theatre of war, the command entrusted to the genius of General Wavell. As the cranes swing from ship to shore, a solemn Gurkha sentry stands with kukri at the ready. The map shows how all the transport must be shared by ship and railway. The railway that runs from the Persian Gulf north to Bandar Shah in the Caspian Sea. Thence by Caspian ship to the Soviet armies of the south. A typical railway station scene in Iran is a reminder that many races are fighting Hitlerism. The railway staff here bears striking contrast to the men who run our own 715s and 640s. But they all stand to lose if Hitler wins. The train starts off, one of many making the journey north with vital supplies, and our camera will show vividly the desolate country through which the journey is made. Military transport engineers work in their traveling railway offices. They are men who must know the special conditions of this railway that looks like a toy, and yet presents such formidable problems. Miles and miles and miles of railway and nowhere to buy a bun. Farther north the line approaches the Caspian port by way of Tehran, and a proposed link line through Tabriz would join the forces of the Red Army in the Caucasus. Hitler hopes to finish with Russia before the full weight of Britain could be brought in against him, but Stalin and Timoshenko have better ideas. Gangs are continuously at work repairing and strengthening the line to take this great new load of traffic. Faster and surer route than the road of this rough country can offer. So the once despised train goes into action, with encouraging slogans obviously the work of Omar Khayyam. This is not the only supply route, but it's a mighty important one. The railway is doing its job, and this is a railway working overtime. Every day the wheels are rolling with the tools of victory for the Empire armies.